Hi guys, this is Marley and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to create this short video on the beans that I'm gonna be planting this year. These are my new orders from MI Gardener, and if you are looking for some new types of beans that you can plant in your garden, these are some cool ones. And with all of the news about possible food shortage, I'm planting a lot of potatoes, a lot of beans, squash, and all kinds of vegetables that I can store for a longer period of time. These are the new beans that I ordered, and I just got this in the mail today. These beans have a maturity date from 50 up to 100 days. So first one is the purple hull pea, and this one is maturity date is 70 days. Next is the Christmas lima beans, and that looks so cool. 75 to 100 days maturity period. Next is the Henderson lima beans. Days still maturity 50 to 60. Mayflower beans. This is really nice. Look at that. That's red. Maturity 100 days. Adzuki beans. Days still maturity is 60 to 75 days. Navy beans, that's 90 to 100 days, so this one takes a little bit longer. Calypso beans with this beautiful color, 70 to 90 days still maturity. And then we have the painted pony beans. And also I found this red noodle beans. Now this one is different because this is a vining plant. Days till maturity is 65 days. This is the only one that's a vining bean that I ordered in this batch. And then another cool thing, guys, I got a free packet of seeds, which is the salad bowl mix. Now these cool new beans, like this 8 packets in here, these are all bush beans, so there's no need to trellis them, which is a little bit easier for us growers, especially if we don't have some trellises set up for them yet. If you're planning to plant more beans this year, or if you have any experience in planting any of these beans that I showed you, write your comments in the comment section below. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and you all have a very blessed Easter. Bye.